Hey guys, we're in front of a cave that our friend Matt dug out, and not many people have been in it. And we are about to push a lead that has been completely undiscovered, which is really exciting. This limestone is gorgeous. Dark crystal vibes. Got Mineral Dude, Jacob. Off we go.
Thanks, Matt. That's the last of the daylight we're gonna see for a while.
Oh yeah. See you in a bit.
Yeah, this is a lot rockier than normal. This whole thing was filled with rocks when we dug it out. I mean, you gotta think how many pounds of rock Matt pulled out of this thing. Wow.
Took you what, three days to dig this out?
3.5 days. I'll send you guys pics of what it looks like.
Jacob's making his way through this first tunnel. Alright, so we're hopping down into this river. A little stream bed. Pretty. Goes down.
Man, I'm thinking about
Comes back up.
honestly. I don't know if that was the right move. I actually know them.
Alright guys,
Down for Jacob's set.
here is the water. Yeah, it's getting a little sketchy down here, so apparently that rock is not safe to step on. See, I just crawled through something crazy. This thing right here. This is challenging to get through.
Yeah, I got that.
We got Steve attempting it now. James just hopped down. It's just kind of difficult because most of the rocks on that ledge are covered in mud.
I can't hear anything you're saying. Put your hand on the wall. Yeah, there you go.
And then when they're covered in mud, some rocks underneath it are just loose and they fall away. Also, what I didn't realize, Steve is still crossing, is this goes up too. Pretty cool. Alright guys.
So you think this just goes over the water column?
It does.
No.
You just had to crawl up here,
Okay, perfect.
up on top of that waterfall.
Dude, I should not have won.
That was an easier climb than the first one.
What have I done?
Dude, I don't know, man. But
We've
if
got
it's
these
water
cool
column,
little
you're ready for it, man.
True.
formations over here. Look at this little set of cat teeth. Adorable.
Yeah, he's making it.
Whatever was making these claw marks.
We got claw marks. We have some loud water in this canyon. We're creeping up on. Like what? So Jacob says it sounds like there's some rapids down here just opened up for this.
Whoa, that cave bacon?
Sure is. Gorgeous. Whoa, this is cool. This is opening up into this little sort of grotto-y area. Jacob's back there. All right, just got to this room. It's a tiny room after this crawl. I'm actually laying in the crawl currently. Here's my feet. And it's pretty tight. We're crawling through this little rock paradise. Alright guys, we're out of the cave. Go follow Mineral Dude.
Yeah.
Steve,
It's over there on the green
Davis, and Adventure Twins. We've got James over here.
You think we saw?
See you guys next time.